Have you ever looked down at the back of your hands and been surprised by the skin you see? Maybe it feels thinner, more delicate than it used to. Or perhaps it's not what you see, but what you feel. That deep nagging ache in your knees when you get up from your favorite chair, or the stiffness in your shoulders in the morning. That takes just a little longer to shake off each year. You try to stay active. You eat what you think are the right things, but it feels like you're fighting a losing battle against time itself. What if I told you that much of this isn't just about getting older? What if a huge part of the sagging skin, the achy joints, and even that feeling of fragility comes down to the loss of one single crucial substance in your body? A substance that your body is struggling to make on its own anymore. This isn't about a magic pill or an expensive, complicated anti-aging fad. This is about understanding what your body is truly crying out for and giving it back in the most powerful, natural way possible. In this video, we are going to uncover the number one food that can help your body rebuild this lost substance, a food that our grandparents knew as liquid gold. Stick with me, because the information I'm about to share could genuinely change the way you feel in your own skin starting from the inside out. Before we dive in, if you believe that your best years are not behind you and you're dedicated to staying strong, vibrant, and independent, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We share practical health wisdom that can make a real difference in your daily life. And I'm always so curious to see where our community is watching from. Let me know in the comments below, are you in the United States, Canada, the UK, or somewhere else in the world? It's wonderful to know how far this message of health is reaching. Alright, let's talk about the invisible framework that holds you together. It's a protein called collagen. You've probably heard the word thrown around in commercials for face creams and beauty products, but that's just scratching the surface. Collagen is quite literally the glue of your body. Think of it like the steel frame of a skyscraper. It provides strength, structure, and support to nearly everything. It's the main component of your skin, keeping it firm and elastic. It's the tough rubbery cartilage that cushions your joints, allowing you to move without pain. It makes up your bones, your ligaments, your tendons. It even lines your arteries and your gut. When we are young, our bodies are collagen-making factories, churning it out constantly to keep us strong and resilient. But here's the tough truth. Around the age of 25, that factory starts to slow down its production. And after 60, it's not just slow. For many of us, it's crawling at a snail's pace. The decline becomes much more rapid. We lose about 1% of our collagen every year after our mid-20s, but that rate accelerates significantly in our senior years, especially for women after menopause. This is why our skin starts to wrinkle and sag. It's why our joints begin to ache and grind as that protective cartilage thins out. It's why our bones can become more brittle. We're losing the very scaffolding that keeps our bodies youthful and functional. It's a quiet internal process, but its effects are anything but. They show up on our face and we feel them in our every movement. Now you might be thinking, okay, so collagen is a protein. I eat protein. I have chicken for dinner, maybe a steak now and then. Shouldn't that be enough? This is one of the biggest and most understandable misunderstandings out there. And it's the reason so many people struggle, despite trying to eat a healthy, protein-rich diet. Here's why just eating a piece of meat isn't the direct solution your body needs. To build anything, you need the right building blocks. To build a house, you need bricks, mortar, wood. To build protein in your body, you need its building blocks, which are called amino acids. Now, collagen is a very special and unique type of protein. It's built primarily from a very specific team of amino acids, most notably glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These three are the superstar players on the collagen construction team. Other proteins, like the ones in a chicken breast or a pork chop, have a different amino acid profile. They have some glycine and proline, but not in the massive concentrated amounts needed to effectively rebuild your body's collagen network. But there's an even bigger piece to this puzzle, and it's a word you should get familiar with bioavailability. Bioavailability simply means how well your body can absorb and use a nutrient. Imagine you need to build a brick wall and all the bricks are locked up inside a giant tough concrete block. You might have all the bricks you need, but you can't get to them. That's kind of what it's like when you eat a tough piece of meat. The collagen and its amino acids are locked away in dense connective tissues that are very hard for our aging digestive systems to break down and access. You might eat it, but your body can't efficiently extract and use those precious building blocks. So most of it passes right through you unused. So what is the answer? How do we get this super specific team of amino acids and deliver them to our body in a way that is incredibly easy to absorb and put to work immediately? The answer is not something new or flashy. In fact, it's an ancient food, a secret that has been simmering in pots, in kitchens around the world for thousands of years. The number one food to rebuild lost collagen after 60 is bone broth. Now, I'm not talking about the cans of broth or salty cubes you find in the soup aisle at the grocery store. Most of those are just flavored salt water with very little, if any, real nutritional value. I'm talking about real traditional bone broth, made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for a very long time, typically 24 to 48 hours. This long, slow simmering process is the absolute key. It's a kind of gentle external digestion. As the bones, ligaments, tendons, and cartilage simmer in water, often with a splash of something acidic, like apple cider vinegar, a magical transformation happens. The tough collagen and all the other nutrients locked inside those tissues are slowly broken down and released into the water. The collagen transforms into something called gelatin, which is essentially cooked collagen. This gelatin is what gives good homemade bone broth that jiggly jello-like consistency when it's chilled. And that jiggle is the sign that you've struck liquid gold. When you drink a warm cup of this gelatin-rich broth, you're consuming collagen that has already been broken down into its fundamental building blocks, those crucial amino acids like glycine and proline. They are suspended in the liquid, completely bioavailable, ready for your body to absorb instantly with very little digestive effort. It's like you're giving your body a pre-packaged, ready-to-use collagen repair kit. The workers are already at the construction site, tools in hand, ready to get to work, rebuilding your skin, your joints, and your bones. You're not asking your body to do the hard work of breaking down a tough steak. You're handing it the finished materials on a silver platter. Let's look a little closer at what's in this incredible liquid. The amino acid glycine is the most abundant one in collagen, and it's a true workhorse. It's essential for building strong skin, but it does so much more. Glycine helps your body produce antioxidants, it can improve sleep quality, and it plays a vital role in healing the lining of your gut. A healthy gut means you absorb all your other nutrients better, leading to more energy and overall vitality. Proline is another key player, especially for joint health. It helps maintain and repair cartilage, keeping your joints flexible and cushioned. Your body can't rebuild that precious joint cartilage without a steady supply of proline. But bone broth doesn't stop there. The simmering process also pulls other powerful joint-supporting compounds out of the tissues. You've probably seen these names on expensive supplement bottles: glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate. These are natural compounds found in cartilage that are famous for their ability to reduce joint pain and inflammation. In bone broth, you get them in their natural whole food form, working together in synergy, which is always how the body prefers to receive its nutrients. It also contains hyaluronic acid, another substance that helps lubricate and cushion the joints and keeps the skin hydrated and plump from the inside. And let's not forget the minerals. Bones are storehouses of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are crucial for maintaining your own bone density and are gently pulled into the broth during that